All right, guys, this is going to be the video that basically is just going to simply go over your homework from last night. So I'm going to quickly pull up the first problem. All right, so your problem says a robin has a heart rate of 456 beats per minute. How many times will a robin's heart beat in 1 hour? So this should have been the steps that you went through with your homework last night. A robin has a heart rate of 456 beats per minute. How many times will a robin's heart beat in 1 hour? And so they kind of give us information with minutes, and then they want to know how many times an hour. So one thing that we definitely needed to address is that 1 hour is equal to what? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, okay, let me get my pen back up. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And so if in 1 minute you have 456 beats, by the second minute, that means I should be having 456 plus 456, right? And that'll give us an answer. And on the third minute, that means that I have 456 plus 456 plus 456. I know that I have taught you guys a shortcut version for repeated addition. What is that called? It is multiplication. So that means that we need to multiply 456 times what? Is it times 1? What is 456 times 1? Because it said in 1 hour. So do we multiply? Of course not. Guys, I hear you shouting at me. No, it's 456 times 60. So great, let's do that. Let me jump over here to a clean slate, right? So we can actually do 456 times 60. And that is what you should have worked on last night. 0 times 6 is 0. And 0 times 5 is 0, of course. 0 times 4 is perfect. So since we're done with that 0, we need to put a 0 in the ones place and jump over to the tens. Great. So 6 times 6 is 36. Carry that 3. 6 times 5 is 30 plus the 3 gives us 33. Great. Put a 3, carry a 3. 6 times 4, 24. What is 24 plus 3? It is 27. There are no numbers on top. They're all zeros. So that means that our answer is going to be 27,360, which the answer should be, I hear you yelling. You got it right, didn't you? Good job. It's letter D. Letter D. Good job, good job, good job. Okay. I am going to go to the next problem that you were working. And it says that, well, let me clear that off for you guys. All right. It says that Nolan plays on a soccer field that is 117 feet long and 86 feet wide. How many square feet compose the area of the soccer field? Wow. So area. What type of operation do we use to solve area? Great. It is definitely multiplication. So who remembers what the formula for finding area is? Good job. It is. It definitely is. So let me set that up for you. We know that area is equal to length times width. And they said that the length is, that's right, 117 times 86. So what do we need to do? standard algorithm if you can. So let's just check the answer and see what you got last night done correctly. Guess what we can do? We can go and have us a side consultation. You can meet with me. You can say, oh, I kind of see where I got mine wrong. And then we can just go from there. Okay. So we have 117. I'm just going to write here. Times 86. What is 6 times 7? It is 42. Put a 2 and carry the 4. 6 times 1 is 6. And then 6 plus 4 is 10. So carry that 1. 6 times 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Good. We're done with our ones place. Let's put a 0 in the ones place and jump over to the tens place. 8 times 7 is 56. And we're going to carry that 5. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. Good. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 1 gives you 9. So let's add. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 7 is 10. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So it looks like our answer is 10,062. We have an answer. It's F. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. And last but not least, let us work the last problem from your homework. So proud of you guys. All right. So this problem says that there are 450 students at Jones Elementary School. Mrs. Reese wants to give each student 75 sheets of paper. How many sheets of paper does Mrs. Reese need to purchase? That's a lot of paper. Y'all don't need all that paper. 450 students. Each get 75. And how many sheets? That means we're looking for the total, which means, of course, we need to multiply. So that means we need to multiply 450 times. That's right. You got it. 450 times 75. So let's do that. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry your 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is, good job, 22. Let's put a 0 in the ones place. Mark off that 5. Mark off that little 2. And let's go to the next place value. 7 times 0 is, good. 7 times 5 is 35. Let's carry that 3. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 3. That's right, 31. Let's add our numbers and see what we get. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is, it is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 1 is, all right. And 3 and 0 is 3. So we have the answer of 33,750. Now just look at that. We have the answer F. We have the answer F. I hope that you guys have been checking your work. Even if you got it wrong, it's okay. You have an opportunity to practice and get better before the end of the week to finalize your assignments. I am here if you need me. So send me a message on Class Dojo, Miss Ellis. I'm super proud because I got all my problems right. I really know what I'm doing. Or send me a private message and just say, you know what? Nope, don't got it. You know how I am, right? Nope, I ain't got it. So I'm here to help you if you just don't have it, okay? Send me messages. I'm like super excited to dive into this lesson and help you guys the best that I can. So I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.